Kicking us off tonight, let's welcome to Oregon, Cara Adams, Director of Guest Experience at the Portland Trailblazers. Cara moved here from D.C., and she's hoping to make connections and expand her network, so be sure to introduce yourself to her.
Say hey to Kimberly Alvarez. She moved here from L.A. in March and is the Transfer Services Manager for Oregon State University. She says what she needs most right now is a warm welcome from the community and from her colleagues. Welcome, Kimberly.
Next, I want to introduce Dr. Tanya Burkhardt. She's an assistant professor at Washington State University, Vancouver. She relocated from Pittsburgh during the pandemic and is now looking for advice on regional elementary education opportunities that center on diversity for her 4-year-old.
Please join me in welcoming Sylvia Callender Carter. She moved here in March all the way from Rwanda. Sylvia is a global health consultant at Health and Safety Solutions Institute. Welcome, Sylvia.
Let's give a shout out to Jasmine Channel, who moved here from Athens, Ohio. She's the area director for residential curricular initiatives at Oregon State University. Her background is in student affairs in higher education.
Everyone say hey to Carla Coleman. She's been here for about a year from San Francisco. She's the administrative assistant at the Gray Family Foundation. Her interests include social justice and racial equity, and is hoping to do more to collaborate within communities of color.
Next, we have AJ Costa, who moved here from Houston last month. He is looking for work opportunities and has a sales, marketing, business development background. So if you have a job opportunity for him, please connect with AJ.
Give it up for Matt Davis from Waco, Texas. He's the academic advisor for sports product management at the University of Oregon. He's looking to make musical connections in the Portland area, as well as build a network of sports product industry professionals for his students.
Next, please welcome Angelia Day. She's from the United Kingdom and lived in New York for 20 years. Now she's looking to make meaningful connections and build a community right here, particularly among the Black community.
Say hey to Lorenzo Evans. He moves from Columbus, Ohio in March. He's currently looking for opportunities in the software tech industry. He hopes to connect with other creative, hardworking folks who might also be trying to break into the software industry.
Let's say hey to Farah Fahey Goss. She's the CEO of Buzzwork, who moved here in February from Palm Desert, California. I hope you're getting used to the rain. Farah is open to any and all opportunities to connect with and support communities of color.
Next, we want to introduce Darren Fagans, a broadcast engineer at Alpha Media Portland. He moved here from Denver just last month and is looking to build a network of local professionals in broadcasting, theater, AV, or general tech communities.
Now I'd like you all to meet Emily Garcia, the Student Engagement Coordinator at Oregon State University's Honors College. Her last stop was in San Luis Obispo. She says she's looking forward to hearing about the resources in the area for her students and herself, as well as connecting with other people of color.
From beautiful Honolulu, please welcome Danny Lynn Galvez. She's the Community Engagement Coordinator at the Oregon Health Authority. She's interested in volunteer opportunities and wants to connect with the Asian Pacific Islander communities here.
Say hey to Dr. Eris Hall. She moved here from Atlanta last year and is now the coordinator for the Lily Reynolds Parker Black Cultural Center at the University of Oregon. The one thing she wants from the community right now is to have more Black faculty and staff engaged in networking opportunities within the community and across institutions.
Say hey to Rahim Harji. He's the Assistant City Manager of the City of Hillsborough. Rahim moved here from St. Petersburg, Florida in March. He says what he needs right now from the community is to support each other through these challenging times.
Give a big welcome to Brandy Harris, the interim brand manager at United Way of the Columbia Willamette. She's from Chicago and is interested in connecting with professionals in the nonprofit sector as well as Black business owners.
Say hey to Dr. Yasmin Rosan, Program Coordinator for the Oregon Natural Resources Education Program at Oregon State University. She's looking to build her community and meet people for social events.
All the way from Cincinnati is Chantal Evenso. She works at the Northeast Oregon Economic Development District as their Rural Economic Recovery Coordinator. She's part of AmeriCorps with a background in geography and biology.
I am pleased to introduce Dr. Brian Johnson, the new president for Warner Pacific University. Brian comes to us from New York and is looking to engage with organizations that support first-generation adult and minority students for purposes of providing access and equity to higher ed.
Let's give a warm welcome to Dr. Ame Lambert. She joined Portland State University in August as its Vice President of Global Diversity and Inclusion. She's interested in helping people of color and first-generation students with college access.
I'd like to introduce you to Brittany Lee. She moved here last November from California. She works at the Portland Trailblazers as their people and culture partner. She says what she hopes for the community right now is unity, willingness to learn, and give grace.
Next, we have Neiman Lewis, the brand director at Adidas, or shall I say Adidas. He moved here from Chicago and is looking for opportunities to expand his personal and professional network. He's also interested in mentoring opportunities, both as a mentor and a mentee.
I'm pleased to welcome Valeria Lewis. She's the council representative for Oregon American Federation of State, County, and Municipal Employees, Council 75. She's interested in connecting with others from Ghana. She's also a singer, musician, and comedian.
Next, let's meet Dr. Sunny Lin, assistant professor in the OHSU Portland State University School of Public Health. She moved here from Ann Arbor, Michigan, and as a researcher, Sunny wants to know how she can move her research forward on social justice issues.
I think this next honoree gets bonus points for the greatest distance travel. Meet Louisa Mariki. She moved here from Tanzania. She's the provost and vice president of development at Wayfinding Academy. She's looking for mentorship and building meaningful connections.
Please welcome Mitchell Medrano, who moved here from San Diego in March. He's looking for opportunities in nonprofit, employee culture, and relations. He has a master's degree in nonprofit management and hopes to advance his career right here.
Say hey to Tiffany Moody, speech language pathologist at the Beaverton School District. Tiffany comes to us via Cincinnati. She's looking for recommendations on a non-denominational church, as well as medical professionals in the community. If you can help her out, be sure to connect with her.
Meet Nicatrice Perkins, Assistant Director of Social Equity at the Oregon Department of Transportation. She came to us from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Nonprofits, listen up. She's interested in serving as a volunteer or board member for organizations focused on education, health, or leadership of Black youth or women.
Next, I want to introduce you to Lisa Ransom, Director of Bureau and Labor and Industries, Apprenticeships and Trainings. She comes to us from DC. Her interests include volunteering and is hoping to connect with community that she identifies with.
Give a shout out to Azine Rasseri. She's the Network Compliance Manager at the Oregon Food Bank. Moved here from Seattle, she's interested in building a professional network.
Say hey to Diane Santos, a science teacher at Open School East. She moved here from South Korea. If you know of an organization that is focused on education for communities of color, please contact Diane.
Coming to us from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, please welcome Jolene Traynor. She's the new Executive Vice President of People Culture at Peace Health. She's still getting settled and learning how to navigate the Pacific Northwest, so she's seeking connections as well as ways to best contribute to the community.
Finally, please say hey to Anthony Ware, who comes to us from Los Angeles. He's a principal researcher at Founder Mental Wealth. He is interested in intentional connections at the intersection of supplier diversity and entrepreneurship.